communication is to fulfill a need. As soon as these children understand that if they can speak a thing rightly, all their wants will be fulfilled because the needs would be understood by the people they are talking to. The moment these children understand this, they will want to talk. Right now, talking for them is a skill, not a skill, a task. What is this? This is a cat. What is this? So just, rote questions and answers. For them, communication has no speech. I'm not saying communication. Speech has not become a tool for fulfilling their needs. That is the whole thing. There is a deaf child is hungry. Okay, any child, a handicapped child who does not have speech, who hasn't understood that as soon as he can ask, talk, his need will be fulfilled, who hasn't understood. Okay, but he's having speech therapy. What is this? This is cat. What is this? This is bread. What is this? This is jam. Okay, he's sitting at a table. There is food laid out on the table. The child is hungry, but it is out of reach. He can say this is jam, this is this, this is this, this is this. But he can't say, I am hungry, give me jam. And what does he do? He just cries. Because he hasn't understood that what he knows, that this is called jam, this is called sandwich, this is called bread, this is called porridge, this is called sweet chocolate. As soon as he says, I want, and it will be given to you. A child who understands this will talk. Or you are putting something in front of him which he doesn't want, he doesn't like. But he doesn't know how to say I don't want. So what does he do? He just pushes it away or throws a tantrum. Why? He knows this is not a thing. He knows not. He knows yes it is. But he doesn't know when to use it to communicate his needs. Such a child, for him, speech remains an exercise in just uttering things. He doesn't use it for his feelings, to express his feelings. Now, I want you to note that. That is why I was telling you, be at home aware and make them use these things. The feeling tones. I am hungry, I want food. Teach them to say this. He is feeling hungry, every child feels hungry. Every child wants to go to the toilet. Okay? But I want to do potty. Make him communicate that. Make him say that. At that time you make him say that. And the feeling has to be there at that time for him to be wanting to say that. And you have to catch that feeling. He is feeling hungry now, therefore I will say that. He is wanting to go for doing potty now, so I will say that. Say, you want to go for potty, so say, na, I want to do potty. At that time he will say it. The moment the child understands that by using speech and language, correct speech, which everybody understands, life becomes so much easier. हमारा काम हो जाता है, बात ठीक है. Otherwise, misunderstanding, you have to throw a temper tantrum, you have to start crying, okay? Or you have to push things away to show that you don't want it. All these things they have to do. If they understand the purpose of communication, speech is what speech does. Do you just talk for the heck of it? Oh, this is a cat, or this is a dog, or this is my sari, or this is... Do you keep saying that? Only when you want to convey something to your own self or to others do you speak.